Welcome to our tutorial on the Excel trim function. In this video, we'll explore how to effectively use the trim function to clean up your text data by removing unwanted spaces. The trim function in Excel is a text function that removes all spaces from a text string except for single spaces between words. This is incredibly useful for cleaning up data with extra spaces. The syntax of the trim function is quite simple. Equals trim, text, where text is the text string from which you want to remove extra spaces. Let's start with an example. To remove leading spaces in cell B1, you would use the formula equals trim, B1. This formula will trim any spaces at the beginning of the text. If you have multiple spaces between words in a cell, like in cell B2, you can also use the trim function to collapse them to a single space. Simply apply the formula equals trim, B2. The trim function can also be part of more complex formulas. For instance, if you need to split multiple lines from a cell into rows, you can combine trim with other functions like mid, substitute, rept, and len. Another common use of the trim function is to remove extra spaces between words or text strings within a specified range of cells. This helps in standardizing the appearance of your data. If your goal is to remove all spaces from cells, you can also use the trim function. It's a quick way to tidy up text that has unnecessary spaces throughout. That concludes our tutorial on the Excel trim function. With this knowledge, you can now efficiently clean and prepare text data in your Excel workbooks. Thanks for watching our tutorial on using the trim function in Excel. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials.